Hey, welcome back. My name is Sebastian, and in this week's episode, I'm going to show you how to do my favorite burger. In the supermarket, they sell you these like prefab patties that are no good. You know, the taste is not good, it's not juicy. And you know what? It's really simple to make your own burger. My personal favorite recipe is 1/3 brisket, 1/3 short rib, and 1/3 top sirloin. And especially I like to use picanha. I'm looking for a 70-30 mix, 30% fat content. Real juicy, real moist, full of flavor. We're going to cut the meat, grind the meat, make the patties, and then throw it on the grill, and then we're gonna eat it. It's gonna be amazing.
Today I'm using meat from Meat and Bone. It's a new Miami-based company that specializes in home delivery. Check them out in the link below. I'm using 3 pounds brisket, 3 pounds of short ribs, and 3 pounds of top sirloin. Specifically, this is picanha. I choose picanha because it has a very rich, amazing flavor. I'm cutting the meat into 1-inch thick slices. You don't really have to cube it. Actually, it's a lot easier to feed it through your grinder if the pieces are a little longer. It pulls it right in. After cutting the meat, you want to freeze it for about 10 to 15 minutes so it gets a little harder, because it's going to be a lot easier to grind than when it's soft. I like to make my patties about 5-6 ounces. That way the burgers are a good size. Not too big and not too small, but small enough so I can double stack them and make a nice big double burger. I use this burger press for the burgers that I found on Amazon. I put the link down below in the description. I really like how it gives me a uniform burger shape and all the burgers come out exactly the same. I'm using some of the excess fat from the meat to grease the grill. I don't want the burgers to stick and fall apart. I'm cooking the burgers 2 to 3 minutes per side. Don't flip them, don't touch them, don't press them. And then put on cheese, so it melts directly on the meat.
This smells amazing. We're going to put these burgers on Martin's potato buns. I really love these, like great consistency. Going to stack those burgers double with our secret sauce. Actually, not that secret. Everybody seems to be using more or less the same secret recipe. Ketchup, mayo, smoked paprika, garlic and onion powder. And actually, the one secret ingredient that I have is Mary Sharp's hot sauce from Belize. Really good. Love that stuff. I put it on everything. Yeah, put the second patty on top. Wow, look at this. Look how juicy it looks. And I'm going to top this with some caramelized onions and mushrooms. Look at this. Oh my, I'm barely going to be able to close this burger. And some more special sauce. There you go. All right. Beautiful. Let me cut it open for you guys. Whoa. Look at this, look at this. Look. Look, can you see the juices? Wow, it's just so moist, juicy, full of flavor. I want to bite into it. Hold on, guys. Let's see how it tastes. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man, let's do it. Come on, let's see. Oh. This is really good. Wow, all the work paid off. Wow, this is a really good burger. I had to have a second bite. So sorry about that. Well, we had great fun with today's episode, and we'd love to hear about your favorite burger and how you cook your burger. Excuse me. This is amazing. If you like this video, give us a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And check out next week's episode. We're going to cook a monster tomahawk steak. 4.5 pounds of it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.